If it's your first time in Prague, picking the wrong area can make your whole trip feel really difficult. So here are the best neighborhoods for tourists, especially for first-timers, and the top budget hotels we found inside them. Welcome to Love Hard Travel Harder. Let's be honest, figuring out where to stay in Prague is confusing. You want that perfect romantic Prague experience, but you also need a location that's safe, convenient, and doesn't drain your travel fund. This hotel review guide is here to solve that exact problem. We'll show you the best areas for first-time visitors and then count down our top 10 budget hotels in Prague for couples, starting from just $70 a night. We've analyzed hundreds of traveler reviews across Agoda, Booking.com, and Google to curate this list with an honest review for each, so you only see hotels that are actually worth staying in. Make sure you watch till the end, because hotel number 1 is in what we think is the best area for a first-time tourist. But first, let's talk about where you should even be looking. For a first-time couple travel trip to the Czech Republic, there are 3 areas we recommend focusing on. First up is Staré Město, or the Old Town. This is the historic heart of Prague. Staying here means you are literally steps away from the astronomical clock, charming cobblestone streets, and the city's most famous square. It's perfect for first-time tourists because nearly every major site is walkable, and the atmosphere is pure magic, especially at night. While it can be the priciest area, finding a good budget hotel here is the ultimate win for convenience. Next is Nové Město, or the New Town. Don't let the name fool you. It was founded in the 14th century. This area borders the Old Town and offers a fantastic mix of history, shopping, and great restaurants. It's home to Wenceslas Square and is a major transport hub, making it incredibly convenient for seeing all the things to do in Prague and even for day trips. It's generally more affordable than the Old Town, but still keeps you right in the center of the action, offering amazing value for couples on a budget. Finally, we have Malá Strana, also known as the Lesser Town. This is arguably the most romantic and picturesque neighborhood in Prague. Nestled just below Prague Castle and across the Charles Bridge from the Old Town, this area is filled with stunning Baroque architecture, quiet lanes, and beautiful gardens. It's perfect for couples who want a more peaceful and charming atmosphere while still being in a prime central location. It offers a slightly more relaxed vibe than the bustling Old Town. Now, without any further ado, let's begin with our number 10 pick, the RoadHouse Prague. Kicking off our countdown in the Old Town is a unique pick, the RoadHouse Prague. While technically a hostel, its high-end feel, private rooms, and social but not party vibe make it a brilliant choice for a young adventurous couple, with private rooms averaging around $90 to $120. It's located just a few minutes walk from the Charles Bridge, putting you in the absolute heart of the city. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers consistently call it one of the best hostel experiences they've ever had, praising its cleanliness and amazing community feel. The pros are the incredible location and the friendly, welcoming atmosphere. A small con is that, as a social hostel, it won't have the luxury of a traditional hotel. But for a couple looking to meet other travelers and find an unbeatable location on a tight budget, this is a smart choice for your Prague trip. Number 9. Hotel Černý Slon, Black Elephant Hotel. Also in the Old Town, our number 9 is Hotel Černý Slon, or the Black Elephant Hotel. Located in a historic 14th century building, it's just steps from the Old Town Square. With rooms averaging $140 to $180, it offers an authentic, old-world PRAGUE Czech Republic experience. It's incredibly convenient, with the Staré Město metro station a 5-minute walk away, making airport transfers or exploring wider Prague a breeze. We checked reviews, and travelers rave about the unbeatable location and the helpfulness of the staff. The main pros are its historic charm and prime location. On the flip side, some travelers mention that rooms in a historic building can be on the smaller side. If you want to feel transported back in time without sacrificing convenience, this hotel is a fantastic honest review find. Number 8. Mama Shelter Prague. Heading to the vibrant Holsovis district, just a quick 15-minute tram ride from the city center, we have Mama Shelter Prague. This hotel is perfect for couples who love a fun, eclectic, and modern vibe. With prices often ranging from $80 to $110, it's a serious budget travel win. The hotel is right across from the National Gallery's modern art collection and has fantastic transport links to get you into the old town effortlessly. Here's one of our top Prague travel tips. We looked at reviews, and guests love the playful design, comfortable rooms, and lively bar area. The pros are the hotel's unique personality and excellent value for money. A small con for some might be that it's not in the historic center, but the direct tram line makes sightseeing incredibly easy. For a fun-loving couple, this hotel provides a stylish and affordable base for a things-to-do in Prague packed trip. Number 7. Hotel Cube Prague. Now to the new town for number 7 in our hotel review, Hotel Cube Prague. This sleek modern hotel is a gem for couples, with rooms averaging between $130 and $170. It's perfectly located on a quiet street, but just a short 10-minute walk to the Old Town and Charles Bridge, giving you the best of both worlds. Getting to the airport is simple with an airport shuttle service available. We checked dozens of reviews, and travelers consistently praise the spacious, spotless rooms, the excellent breakfast, and the incredibly friendly staff. Key amenities couples love include the modern design and rainfall showers in the bathrooms. While we're focused on couples, its spacious rooms also make it a great family-friendly option. The only slight con mentioned is that the minimalist design might not feel as traditionally Czech as other hotels. For a stylish, comfortable, and convenient stay in the new town, Hotel Cube is an outstanding choice. Number 6. Miss Sophie's Hotel. Our number 6 takes us back to the new town to a true boutique bargain, Miss Sophie's Hotel. With rooms starting around $70 to $100, this hotel proves that style and budget travel can go hand in hand. It's located a short walk from Wenceslas Square and the main train station, making it super convenient. We checked Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers are obsessed with the chic, funky design and the luxurious touches, like high-end rain showers, that feel far above its price point. The pros are the incredible style for the price and the cozy, intimate atmosphere. A small con is that the standard rooms aren't huge, but they are very well designed to maximize space. For a style-conscious couple on a budget, Miss Sophie's is a fantastic hotel review discovery and a perfect home base. We are halfway through our countdown. If you're getting value from this guide, please give this video a like and help us create more content for you. Okay, now let's jump right back in with our number 5 pick. Number 5. Pytloun Boutique Hotel Prague. Smack in the middle of Wenceslas Square in the new town is our number 5, Pytloun Boutique Hotel Prague. With rooms averaging $150 to $200, this hotel puts you right in the center of the city's shopping and dining scene. You're just a few feet from metro and tram stops, and a 10-minute walk from the main train station. We checked the review section, and guests constantly highlight the perfect location and the fantastic varied breakfast. Many reviews give special mention to the incredibly friendly and helpful staff who make the stay special. A major pro is its rooftop terrace, which offers an amazing view over the city. Some reviews mention that rooms can have varying levels of soundproofing, and the glass-walled bathrooms, while stylish, may lack privacy for some couples. But for a modern hotel with a prime location and great service, this is a top contender. Number 4. Mosaic House Design Hotel. Also in the new town, number 4 is the Mosaic House Design Hotel. This eco-friendly hotel offers a unique blend of modern luxury and cool design, with rooms typically around $100 to $140 a night. It's located just a 5-minute walk from the Karlovo na Městě metro station, giving you easy access to the entire city. For this review, the standout feature for couples is the private bookable wellness center with a sauna and whirlpool, a touch of luxury you rarely find in this price range. We reviewed guest feedback, and travelers love the stylish vibe and the incredible private spa experience. The main pro is access to this exclusive romantic amenity. A small con is that the private spa is an extra cost, but it's an affordable add-on that makes for a memorable couple travel experience. For a dose of private indulgence on a budget, Mosaic House is an unbeatable choice. Number 3. Pytloun Kampa Garden Hotel Prague. Now we head to the enchanting Malá Strana for our number 3. Among all the hotels in Prague, the Pytloun Kampa Garden Hotel is a hidden gem. Situated peacefully on Kampa Island, this hotel has rooms averaging $130 to $170. You're just steps from the Charles Bridge, offering a quiet escape while being seconds from the action. We look through reviews, and guests adore the tranquil location and the rooms that offer beautiful views of the river or Prague Castle. The staff receives high praise for being incredibly friendly and helpful. The pros are the unbeatable romantic location and excellent value. A minor con noted by some is that the hotel is in a historic building, which comes with charming quirks but fewer modern amenities than a new build. For a fairy tale stay in one of Prague's most beautiful and convenient areas, this hotel is a dream. Number 2. Archibald at the Charles Bridge. Our runner-up is also in Malá Strana, and its name says it all, Archibald at the Charles Bridge. With rooms averaging $150 to $220, this hotel's location is simply breathtaking, sitting right next to the iconic bridge. This allows you to experience early morning walks across the bridge before the tourist crowds arrive. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers consistently rate the location a 9.9 out of 10, praising the stunning views and the convenience of being able to walk to all major sites. The hotel is known for being spotlessly clean with friendly staff. While it offers incredible value for its location, a small con is that breakfast gets good but not exceptional reviews. For that iconic picture-perfect Prague experience, staying this close to the Charles Bridge is a romantic dream come true for any tourist. Number 1. Hotel Věží. And our number 1 pick for the best budget hotel in Prague for couples is Hotel Věží. Located in Malá Strana, this hotel is literally attached to the Charles Bridge Tower, offering what might be the most magical location in the entire city. With rooms averaging $160 to $250, it provides 4-star service and an unbeatable atmosphere. You can walk to Prague Castle, the Old Town Square, and countless restaurants and cafes. We analyzed hundreds of reviews, and guests described the experience as flawless, with exceptional staff, beautiful rooms, and an amazing breakfast. Many couples mentioned the little surprise gifts left in their rooms as a lovely romantic touch. The pros are everything: the perfect location, impeccable service, and wonderful rooms. The only con is that this is at the highest end of our budget list, but the value you get for the price is simply outstanding. For a first-time couple's trip to the Czech Republic, this hotel delivers a truly unforgettable and quintessential PRAGUE Czech Republic experience, making it our top honest Prague guide recommendation. So there you have it, our countdown of the top cheap hotels in Prague for a romantic trip, located in the absolute best areas for a first-time tourist. Every hotel we featured has strong ratings and real traveler reviews, no sponsored picks. We hope this Prague travel guide helps you find the perfect home base for your adventure in the Czech Republic. Tell us in the comments which area you'd love to stay in: the bustling old town, the convenient new town, or the charming Malá Strana. We've added Agoda links in the description if you want to check current prices, photos, or reviews for any of these hotels. Thanks for watching Love Hard Travel Harder. Subscribe for more smart budget-friendly travel guides and travel tips every week.